Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at a tech stock which has now reached our target area. So we need to be ready for potential changes in direction. It's eBay and let's take a look at the chart. Let's go. So we are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. You can register on this website completely for free and you get access to all of these updates, including our tech stocks. So we click on our tech stocks section. Today we've also updated Nvidia and Netflix, but I want to share with you the chart about eBay. Okay, so I don't think we've ever talked about eBay on this channel, but if you registered on the website, you would have received these updates before, which would have informed you about the price possibly moving into this target area here that you can see on the chart between $63.90 and $71.50. This is currently the idea that this is a C wave rally within a larger wave 2 correction. So the idea is that from this wave 1 top, which formed actually end of 2021, we've seen a 5-wave move down in wave A. So whenever we get a 5-wave move into one direction, then we typically expect the move afterwards to go into the other direction. It's then a corrective move. In this case, it is a corrective rally after a 5-wave move down. 5 waves indicate where the trend is going. So in this case, down. The current move up is just a counter trend move. And the idea is that afterwards, we're getting a C wave down, as you can see on the chart. So once this B wave has topped, and at the moment there is no evidence that there is a top in place, we're going to watch for a C wave to the downside, and that would be wave C to the downside within larger wave 2 correction. And then from there, maybe a third wave rally could start to unfold. So A wave down, B wave up, C wave down. This is the current idea. And if we get this A wave down, okay, and the B wave up, then the C wave to the downside would obviously be the logical next move that we expect. Okay, so the resistance is defined between $63.90 and $71.50. And at the moment, okay, there is no, as I said, no confirmation the move down has started. So what we're watching for is now the first indication that wave C to the downside has started. Quick info, a C wave down would be a 5-wave move. So what we're watching for is the wave 1 down and the wave 2 corrective rally for maybe a first short trade setup. Some might already choose this area to go short, or at least to maybe reduce long positions. Quick reminder, eBay reacted here in 2023 to our long trade area. Then we had a strong rally, and from here now we could watch for a move down. So let's go to the 4-hour chart actually. It gives us a little bit more detail about where we are now in this cycle. Here you can see the detailed wave count of this move to the upside, which is seen as wave C of B. So $63.90 is the 61.8 retracement of the move down. And that's typically a first ideal target for such a B wave. I always say that B waves don't really have targets. So B waves are very, very chameleon-like structures. Don't be surprised if we go above this area. Therefore, risk management is absolute key if you decide to trade this short. I personally would wait for a break of upside momentum before shorting, because otherwise the risk is that you're shorting into an active uptrend, okay, into the rally. You're trading against the current momentum. But it might make sense to either adjust the stop loss so that you're well in profit and get stopped out should the price move down, or you take some partial profits. That is just what is generally reasonable, not really financial advice for you. But please note that this is the area where with a high probability wave 5 of C of the B wave is completing. Next key support, and really a technical key level here on this chart, is the previous wave 4 low located at $46.03. Below that level we have the $40.16 level. They are two absolute key levels here that once broken will confirm further that wave C to the downside has started. So what we're now watching for is first a break of upside momentum, a clear indication that the market is motivated to put that C wave to the downside in place. At the moment, the trend is still quite aggressively on the, forming further upside movements. And therefore at the moment, I cannot confirm that a top is in place. We might very well stretch to that 78.6 retracement, but this is now something to observe more closely because the market has moved quite nicely from support into the key resistance area. So that's the update about eBay. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. Also, make sure that you register on the website. It's completely for free. Activate the notification bell below the video, and also let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrencies or tech stocks or other assets you want me to cover in future videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.